African plains where grasses sway, there roams a creature small and gray, with eyes so bright and legs so quick. Meet the Dik-Dik, oh so sleek. Its tiny frame, just knee-high tall, makes it the cutest of them all. With snuffly nose and ears so neat, in the savannah it's hard to beat. Bounding through the bush with grace, a Dik-Dik finds its special place. With flick of tail and a hop, 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 it finds its meals without a stop. Though small in size, it's brave and true. A Dik-Dik knows just what to do. In the vast expanse of Africa's land, it thrives with grace so sweetly planned. So little one, as you close your eyes, dream of creatures under starry skies, and remember the Dik-Dik's gentle grace in the vast savannah's wide embrace. Oh Dik-Dik, in your African domain, you roam the plains without disdain. With your tiny frame and heart so true, you bring joy to all as you wander